Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, January 6th. Today I'm going to read another essay from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. It's titled A Set of Inner Doors. And in the book, if you want to read through the essay yourself, you can find it under February 4th. Molly Vaz says, "The stuff of our lives does not change. It is we who change in relation to it. Whatever our gifts or wounds or life situation, whether we have been married several times or have never been in love, whether we have plenty of money or are sorely in need of more, the core issues of our lives will not go away. There exists for each life on earth a set of inner doors that no one can go through for us. We can change jobs or lovers, travel around the world, become a doctor or lawyer or expert mountain climber, or nobly put our life on hold to care for an ailing mother or father. And when we're done, though the worthy distraction could take years, the last threshold we didn't cross within will be still there waiting. There is no substitute for genuine risk. Stranger still is how the very core issue we avoid return, sometimes with different faces, but still, we are brought full circle to them, again and again. Regardless of how we may try to skip over or sidestep what we need to face, we humbly discover that no other threshold is possible until we use our courage to open the door right in front of us. Perhaps the oldest working truth of self-discovery is that the only way out is through. That we are returned repeatedly to the same circumstance is not always a sign of avoidance, but can mean our work around a certain issue is simply not done yet. In my own life, it is not by chance that struggling to adulthood with a domineering and critical mother, I have been thrust again and again into situations with dominant men and women, struggling painfully for their approval and fearing their rejection. For years, I tried to manage the circumstances better, which was like sanding and varnishing the door without even opening it. I was destined to repeat the pain of rejection, no matter how skillfully I handled it, until I finally opened the door of self-worth. Even my calling to be a poet became a distraction that lasted many years. Feeling rejected and insecure at heart, I quietly made a mission of becoming a famous writer, only to find myself one day replaying the issues of approval and rejection 100-fold at the mailbox, as I awaited word from countless critical strangers, known as editors. I was stunned and relieved to finally discover myself at the same threshold of loving myself that I had run from years before. The thresholds go nowhere. It is we who, in our readiness and experience, keep coming back. Because the only way to fulfill yourself is that to take what is truly yours. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and easy, completely natural. And see if you can find spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to reflect on an issue that keeps coming back to you. Whatever it is, see if you can relate to this issue as a messenger and ask that messenger which door it is trying to open for you. How will your life change if you move through this threshold? How will your life be affected if you don't do it? Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for taking a few minutes to do this exercise. Send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body, notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to go back to this reflection and maybe even journal around it. There exists for each life on earth a set of inner doors that no one can go through for us. What are these doors for you? Which thresholds are you ready to step through right now? Enjoy your discoveries as always. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.